all, my name is Meenu Gupta and I am doing NPTT course from Urja Institute, Daryaganj. I had completed my NTT and I am working as a nursery teacher in Bratson Cuties, Lajpat Nagar. I would like to tell you all that this institute has given me all the education requirement that is required in current scenario to be a teacher. मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूँगी, आज मैं जहाँ जॉब कर रही हूँ, आज सभी पेरेंट्स की एक ही रिक्वायरमेंट है कि जो टीचर्स हैं अब वो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग हो। इसलिए मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे बहुत फोकस करें सो दैट आप बच्चे से भी अच्छे से इंटरेक्ट कर पाएंगे और पेरेंट्स से, अपनी मैनेजमेंट से और सबसे आप अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे। The institute has provided me with lots of benefits. They had provided me the seminars, they had given me the opportunity to how to deal with the parents, how to communicate with the parents, how to deal with the child. They had taught me how to behave in a child-centered environment where a child can develop all his motor skills, his fine developments and gross motor skills. Over here, I had come to know about all the craft and craft work, like they had taught me how to do vegetable painting, how to do fruits painting, how to use our hands, how to use different scraps. That has been required in the current education these days. As we all know that a child is learning from a very beginning. His hands are very soft. So here we start with the finger painting over there that helps him to develop a fine motor skills. These days we are working on our lesson plans that will help me to be a better teacher in future and I can be a good teacher for a higher education. Thank you so much.